Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have to solve this question. If x square minus 3x plus 1 equals to 0, then we will find x power 6 plus 1 by x power 6. The value of x power 6 plus 1 by x power 6. And this question is taken from the Bangladesh Math Olympiad. So let us solve. Let's say x square minus 3x plus 1 as equation 1. Okay. So now divide equation 1 by x on both sides, so we will get x square minus 3x plus 1 divided by x equals to 0 divide x. Now break this term into parts, so means we can write this as x square divided by x minus 3x divided by x and plus 1 by x equals to 0. Okay. So after that, then we will have this x will be reduce the power, so we can write this as x, and this x will be cancelled out with this x, so we will have 3, and at the last two 1 by x equals to 0. Now shift 3 on the right hand side of equation, so now x plus 1 by x equals to 3. Means we find the value of x plus 1 by x equals to 3. By using this equation 2, we will find our required answer, x power 6 plus 1 by x. So let's take square on both sides. Take square on both sides, so it will become x plus 1 by x whole square equals to 3 square. Okay. So now on the left hand side we apply this formula, a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so it will become x square plus 2 into x into 1 by x plus 1 by x square equals to 9. Okay students, so this x will be cancelled out with this x, and we will transfer this 2 on the right hand side, so we have x square plus 1 by x square equals to 9 minus 2, and now subtract 9 minus 2, subtract 2 from 9, so we'll get x square plus 1 by x square equals to 7. Okay, to make this square to the power 6, now we'll take cube on both sides, so yeah, here we write take cube on both sides, then x square plus 1 by x square whole cube equals to 7 cube. Okay students, on the left hand side we apply this formula, a plus b whole cube is equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Okay, so now we have, in place of a we have x square, so it means x square whole cube, then plus 1 by x square whole cube, and then plus 3 into, in place x square into 1 by x square, and then x square plus 1 by x square, and 7 cube is equals to 243. Okay, this x square will be cancelled out with this x square, so we have, after simplification, we will get x power 6 plus 1 by x power 6 plus 3 into x square, okay, plus 1 by x square equals to 243. Now put the value of x square plus 1 by x square, so the value of x square plus 1 by x square is 7. Okay students, let's say this is as equation 3. So now I will put the value of x square plus 1 by x square here, and then we multiply with 3, so it will become x power 6 plus 1 by x power 6 plus 27 equals to 243. Now shift 27 on the right hand side to find the required answer. So our final answer will be x power 6 plus 1 by x power 6 equals to 243 minus 27. Okay, so the required answer will be 322. Okay students, if you like my video, so subscribe my channel and share with your friends.